In this video we're going to have a look at the VAT bridging feature. So the bridging feature is terminology used by HMRC where it lets businesses continue to use a spreadsheet model to manage their VAT. But we can take that spreadsheet and upload the data using this product so that you are compliant with making tax digital. So to use it, you click on the menu and you click on the MTD VAT feature. This opens up the Vat Dashboard within the product. You can see your last submission, your next submission. You can see when your next payment is due and how much it is. You can see all your previous submissions. You can see your next due. This is the next quarter that's due. And you can also click on this little tab down here. We thought that would be useful to show you a history of the payments you've made to HMRC. So to use the bridging product, we select the quarter that we want to submit. Now, if there's any transactions in the invoicing or expenses, it will automatically populate the 9-box form with those values. To use the bridging feature, we scroll down to the bottom and we need to download an Excel template. So if you click on that, it'll download the Excel template. To view one that we've created earlier, this is what it looks like. What you would do is you would embed this template into your VAT model, and the totals in the VAT model, you would connect them through onto this form. Okay, so this would just be one worksheet in your VAT model, and it needs to be the first worksheet when you open up your Excel model. Okay, so that should require minimum change on your side. Once you've done that, once you've completed your spreadsheet, what you then do is you click on the product and you select that file. Okay, so this is the example that we've just completed. And then you click on upload. So once you upload, something's going to happen. Okay. Just takes a bit of time. So all of the amounts in your spreadsheet are automatically populated into the adjustment field. So in Rhino, you have the ability to make adjustments. And what we've done is we've taken all of the data from the Excel model and we've put it into box 1 adjustment, box 2 adjustment, and so on. Yeah. So to finalize all of this, so we've got your VAT model stored. So all you've got to do is click on your declaration and click on finalize. And that will submit your data via this product, which is an MTD compatible product, and that will submit it to HMRC. And that's it.